We got the 8N tractor. Got a tire off and talked about that last time about how, yeah. And that tire, we're gonna tube, put it on it. Should be the 10-28 tire that goes on the back. And she's unlocked here. Let's see if I give it a tiny little, see, but that moved. She's unlocked. She's all oily from the stuff we poured down there. We're gonna take this bucket. Me and my dad are gonna, or I'm gonna get the oil out of the tractor, put it in here, and then me and my dad are gonna put it in a bucket for like oil and bolts and stuff, or bar oil, as long as it doesn't look crispy in there. And yeah, when we were pulling the oil down in those spark tubes, she was real happy and she was spurting and bubbling. So yeah, I'm surprised. I'm happy she unlocked because, and the order for the kit, the 12-volt conversion kit came in, so we'll be putting it on this. One of our friends had a battery from his wife's car. It died. We're hoping he said that it might not take a charge, but might as well bring it home and try. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna charge that up tomorrow and hopefully it'll take a charge. That'd be really awesome. So I got my tool here. We're gonna take the oil out that we put in to unlock it. Take that little thing right there. It's bolt or nut, whatever you want to call it. It's cover. We're gonna take it out, put the oil in there, cover it for tonight, put the lid on it, so that way no animals can get in it. And then eventually we're gonna take this, put it where it goes, which is right there. The last owners did well. It's an interesting start button right there, obviously. Works 100%. I gotta oil this stuff up so it's easy to take off and convert. Wire missing here, but that's okay. Hopefully that oil pressure thing works properly. And yeah, I gotta move these chains and position the bin. Just gotta get a Kicker 9000 in there. Normally gets it right about in the right spot. I don't think that's gonna work. I think I'm gonna have to raise the jack a little. But it'll be okay. I wonder if there's any more lube juice in here. Oh, no. Nothing but air. Wait. Except for that doesn't need to come off, so I'm just wasting oil. Oh well. That don't work. We'll pick that up in a little bit once we're done. I'm gonna figure out how to finagle this so I can get that bucket in there to catch the oil. May even take the cap off. And then, well, obviously got to do that to take the oil out, but I'm gonna do that and then we'll be back. I'll loosen the cap and I'll take it off on video, hopefully, if it's not too difficult. See then. Put the Jackmaster under there and gave her a good old jacking. Then I put I can't remember. We'll just call it a holder madoohickey. And we're gonna take the bolt out. I got the thing under there properly. And we're gonna take that bolt out and then, yes. So let's get under there and get that done. I got that untightened. So slap the bucket under there. The tote in this case. Get it. My hand. goes all in the bucket. She's a black, but she's got a purpley looking look to her, but that's because the mystery oil for unlocking it. Hopefully we got a big enough bucket. Shouldn't have too much. Just a wee bit over the full. We'll put that in there for rust coverage. Give her a little bit of a clean. Help the rust a little bit. Help it stop oxidizing. How's that hole look? I can't really see, so I'm hoping you guys can. Okay, that's a good amount of bar oil in there. That's gonna last us, well, the rest of our lives, basically. Should be a lot of chainsawing, but we'll get it used up for bolts or whatever. Put that right there. If anything, just a Rust-O-Matic stop-a-later. Yeah. Luckily, we got this all good. So happy that it's unlocked too. The good thing is it stopped not even that much. Gonna have to go find the lid for this, and I might even, nah, I'll find the lid. I'll use a wood cover and put a brick on top. So that way no animals getting into it. Don't want them drinking it. But the good thing is the oil, it's got a viscosity to it, so it's pretty good. She's probably low now. Oh yeah, that could have been bad. If we had started it, ooh, it would have been real low. Just a joke, guys, just in case if some of you don't pick up on that. Obviously, you don't start it without oil. Just in case if any of you don't know, you need oil in the engine. Otherwise, you'll blow the engine up. Then the engine's no good. So, have a good day, guys. See you later. Smile. Go buy yourself a Ford tractor because they're reliable and you'll like it.